Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet. Welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 3rd March and we'll start with the today's highlights. Regarding maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures, so these are likely to continue to be above normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India and by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over central India during most days of the week. Also under the influence of a feeble western disturbance, light rainfall also snowfall over higher reaches likely over Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh during 4th to 9th March and over Himachal Pradesh during 7th to 9th and over Uttarakhand on 8th and 9th March. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. So dense fog where visibility was reported between 50 to 199 meter reported from Meghalaya and sub-Himalayan West Bengal, where Barapani in Meghalaya reported 15 meters and in Gangtok, Pakyang and Darjeeling reported visibilities between 50 to 199 meters. Regarding observed temperatures, maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures, so these departures of maximum temperatures were appreciably to markedly above normal by 4 to 8 degrees centigrade over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan. These are also above normal by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat State, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, and then rest of the part of the country, the maximum temperature departures were near normal. The highest maximum temperature of 38.5 degrees centigrade was observed at Akola, which is in Maharashtra, over the plains of India. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. So the fresh western disturbance is seen as a trough in middle level tropospheric westerlies, roughly along longitude 52 degree east to the north of latitude 33 degree north. And then there are few upper air cyclonic circulation, one over South Assam and neighborhood in lower tropospheric level, another over northeast Assam and neighborhood in lower tropospheric level, and also one over Gujarat region in the also in the lower tropospheric level. Apart from that, there is a trough runs from North Odisha to Vidarbha in lower tropospheric levels, and there is also subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order 100 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level, which is continuing to prevail over the northwest India. Regarding South India, so there is a cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar and neighborhood, and also a north-south trough or wind discontinuity which runs from this cyclonic circulation to the Marathwada in the lower tropospheric levels, and then there is a cyclonic circulation over central parts of South Bay of Bengal and adjoining equatorial Indian Ocean in the lower and middle tropospheric levels, which is tilting southwestwards with height. And also another fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalaya region from the 8th March 2026. Now we will see the forecast of maximum temperatures. So gradual rise in maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures by about 2 degrees centigrade likely over western Himalaya region during next 3 days, and then gradual fall by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade during subsequent 4 days. Over the plains of northwest India, maximum temperatures are likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during next 4 days and no significant change during subsequent 3 days. Hence, maximum temperatures are likely to be appreciably to markedly above normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India during next 7 days. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade likely over central India during next 4 days and no significant change during subsequent 3 days except Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, where it is likely to rise by about 2 degrees centigrade during next 3 days and no significant change thereafter. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over Maharashtra during next 4 days and no significant change during subsequent 3 days. Gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over Gujarat state during next 2 days and no significant change during subsequent 5 days. Over Tamil Nadu, no significant change in maximum temperature likely during next 2 days, then gradual rise by about 2 degrees centigrade during subsequent 3 days, and thereafter no significant change. And over the rest part of the country, no significant change in maximum temperatures likely during the next 7 days. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for next 7 days. So day 1, that is for today night and today and tomorrow early morning, dense fog where visibility is between 50 to 199 meter is forecasted for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. That's why yellow warning is given. Also over Assam and Meghalaya, thunderstorm lightning warning is also given. Yellow warning is given for that. For day 2, over west coast and Gujarat, especially for Konkan and coastal areas of Gujarat, hot and humid weather is forecasted. That's why yellow warning is given for day 2, which it will continue for day 3. For day 4, the hot and humid warning is only given for the coastal areas of Gujarat state. For day 5, 6, 7, there will be no significant weather warning as of now. For more details and updates, you can log on to our website mausam.imd.gov.in or also download our mobile app, that is Mausam app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.